Welcome to the Dental Receptionist Playbook. This video is designed to help you master the front desk, focusing on the skills, systems, and scheduling necessary to be the operational backbone of a modern dental clinic. As the dental receptionist, you are the critical hub of the entire clinic. You are the first face, the last face, and the operational engine. Dentists and hygienists rely on you to manage billing, booking, and patient flow so they can focus strictly on clinical care. Excellence at the front desk is built on 6 pillars: multitasking, professional attitude, dental knowledge, communication, privacy, and accuracy. Mastering these 6 areas ensures smooth, compliant, and patient-focused operations. Consider the difference between a basic and an exceptional approach. When the dentist is running 20 minutes behind, a basic response leaves the patient annoyed. The exceptional approach informs the patient and offers compensation, maintaining the clinic's premium reputation. The primary directive of appointment management is finding schedule harmony. The golden rule is simple: never let a cancellation slide. When a gap opens, immediately pull patients from the waitlist to protect the clinic's productivity. All clinic schedules are built on strict time intervals. You must understand your grid. Whether it's a 10-minute or 15-minute grid, appointments must snap to the grid. You cannot book arbitrarily. Here is a matrix for common diagnostic and preventative procedures. Knowing the estimated time and clinical notes for procedures like teeth cleaning and checkups is vital for accurate scheduling. Always book buffer time. Restorative care procedures like fillings, crowns, and veneers often require multi-appointment scheduling. Understand the time commitment, such as 30 minutes for a single filling or multiple appointments for a crown. Specialized treatments like root canals, extractions, and implants vary significantly in time and complexity. Always check with the dentist and understand these often involve multi-month processes or referrals to specialists. Navigating dental emergencies requires a quick decision process. If the source of pain is known and a 60-minute slot is available, book a restorative appointment. Otherwise, book a 30-minute emergency exam for diagnosis. You must understand procedures to explain them. Translating dentist speak to patient speak is essential. Leaving your desk to ask the dentist wastes time and erodes patient confidence. Privacy is paramount. For digital confidentiality, always use BCC when emailing patient newsletters. For physical confidentiality, ensure charts are closed and screens are angled away from the front desk. Privacy breaches are grounds for dismissal. Adaptability is your greatest asset, especially at the end of the day. A scheduled 9 to 5 shift often runs past 5 p.m. The day is not over until the final procedures are completed and payment is processed. Exceptional dental reception occurs at the intersection of deep clinical knowledge, precise operational math, and high-level hospitality. By mastering these elements, you actively command the success of the entire practice.